Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm reviewing this product from this brand name Mizon. This is their Snail Repair Intensive Essence. I purchased the mini version. I paid $8 for this and we get 50 ml product. This essence is fragrance free, essential oil free, alcohol free. If you get about parabens and silicones, this is paraben free and silicone free as well. This is fungal acne safe, and if I'm not wrong, Mizon is cruelty free. So this product has 88% snail extract. Snail extract is not only anti-aging, brightening, it helps with dark spots, it helps with redness. It is also a great option for people who have acne prone skin. Snail extract is a humectant. They added some other great humectants in this. This has glycerin, sodium hyaluronate, hyaluronic acid. These are great humectants. And this also has adenosine and centella extract. Adenosine is a great anti-aging ingredient and centella is soothing and calming. Main ingredient in this is 88% snail extract. All the other ingredients are supporting ingredients. So let's talk about my experience with this essence. This is one of the best snail product that I tried. This is extremely lightweight. When I said extremely lightweight, if you live in a very hot and humid country, you can try this product. It is very lightweight. This absorbs into your skin very quick. This don't leave any sticky finish or tacky finish. This absorbs really fast. The right way of using this product is, after washing your face, when your skin is still damp, apply this product on your skin. Right before this is completely absorbed, apply your moisturizer on top of this. Because this is a humectant rich product, you will have to lock it in with a thicker moisturizer. After you apply your moisturizer on top of this product, this makes your skin so plump, so bouncy, soft, silky, and this minimize the appearance of your wrinkles and fine lines so much. If you have mature skin, you have fine lines and wrinkles, try this product. Just make sure to apply it on damp skin, and before this is completely absorbed, apply your moisturizer on top of this. That is the right way of using this product, and I'm 100% sure you're going to see benefits. If you have mature skin, you have fine lines and wrinkles, try this product. I think you will really enjoy this. In my experience, I live in a very hot and humid country. It's really hot here these days and my skin get really red, my cheeks get really red, and in my experience, this also helps with redness. This calm your skin down really well. This product also works great with actives. You can use it with your BHA, AHA, your retinols. This works great with actives. This product is sensitive skin friendly. If your skin is really sensitive, I don't think this will be an issue. And I will recommend this product to all skin types. Dry skin, combination skin, oily skin, sensitive skin, acne prone skin. I think this is great for everyone. This is really lightweight. If you have dry skin, this might be too light for you. Just use a thicker moisturizer on top of this. But I think this is great for all skin types. I really enjoyed using this product. I actually regret purchasing the mini version. I enjoyed it so much. So I will definitely repurchase this, and I recommend you guys to give this product a try. I also did a review of their toner, Mizon Snail toner. I liked this one better than the toner. This is more deeply hydrating and this plump up your skin really well. So yeah, I will highly recommend you guys to give this product a try. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.